Let's do this.
Hi, welcome to
Explosif Bilds!
I'm Dante.
I'm Ed, i.e. Dad.
Today we are going to build a Minecraft set.
Yes, and the Minecraft Lego set we're building is called the Trial Chamber. Lego set number 21271. And this is our first Lego Minecraft build in 322 pieces. I'm excited about Minecraft.
On Explosif.
Yeah, first build on Explosif Bilds. I'm excited about building this build. Dante, are you excited?
Very.
Let's do this. Ready?
Yeah.
Builder power! just finished our Lego Minecraft build. Dante, what's your overall impression?
It's that it has a lot of
Look at the camera.
it has a lot of shooting stuff.
Yeah, it has a lot of bolts where you can thump them out like this.
And
There you go, he cut it. Oh, this was in there.
it's with your thumb.
There we go. Too much stuff. Oh.
It's with your thumb.
And it has a missile at the bottom, right here. So you press down.
Over here.
Yeah. Step to the side and point it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a clear missile. It's very difficult to see, and it comes out with some force. So be careful with that. Okay. What are these guys called right here?
Breeze.
All right. So it comes with 2 breezes, 2 skeletons, and a hero.
And
So here's the front of the build. Here's the temple. We got some booby traps. Here's the spawn generator. What's the other spawn generator? Yeah, up here. And on the back side,
have a bed.
yeah, the hero has his bed, which is sectioned off from the rest of the dungeon.
And how does he get in there?
I think he just walks around.
And the monsters follow him?
No, I think, in real Minecraft, this will be covered up, right? So the dungeon will be on top, but the hero will be hiding underneath.
Behind.
Yeah. Because look on the back side. On the back side, there's a hallway with supports and columns that leads up to the bed. All in all, this is Dad built,
Kid approved.
and we had a blast doing this. Our Legos are fun. They're only getting better with time. Lego and Minecraft, perfect combination. So if you like this video, remember to
Like and subscribe.
That's right, smash that like button.
See, Lex Luthor is subscribing.
Lex Luthor just subscribed, and so can you. Just remember, you too can be a builder. Until next time,
Lego Builder Power.
power!